How do I enable Force 4x MSAA on my device, game?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to walk you through a straightforward but effective trick to improve the graphic quality of your device or game. We're going to show you how to enable Force 4x MSAA, Multisample Anti-Aliasing. This feature can smooth out the game's graphics and make them look cleaner on your screen. However, do note that it could consume more GPU power and potentially drain your device battery faster.
What is Force 4x MSAA?
Before we delve into the how-to, it's crucial to understand what Force 4x MSAA is. MSAA stands for Multisample Anti-Aliasing, and it's a method for improving the quality of graphics rendered in games. When you force 4x MSAA, your device renders games at the highest possible resolution and then scales it down to fit your device's display resolution. This process improves the overall graphics quality, making it smoother and more detailed.
How to enable developer options?
To enable Force 4x MSAA, you'll first need access to the hidden developer options on your device. Here's how you do it. 1. Open the Settings menu on your device. 2. Scroll down and tap on About Phone. 3. Find the build number or software information and tap on it 7 times in a row. After the 7th tap, you'll see a message indicating that you're now a developer. Now, you have successfully unlocked the developer options.
How to enable Force 4x MSAA?
Now let's get to the meat of the matter. Here's how to enable Force 4x MSAA. 1. Go back to the main Settings menu. 2. Scroll down and tap on Developer Options. 3. Scroll down until you find the Force 4x MSAA option. 4. Toggle the switch to turn on Force 4x MSAA. And voila! You've enabled Force 4x MSAA on your device. We hope this guide has been useful in helping you unlock the power of Force 4x MSAA on your device or game. Keep in mind, while this setting can significantly improve the quality of graphics, it can also consume more resources, so make sure your device can handle the added demand. Enjoy your gaming with better, smoother graphics. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks. Happy gaming!